Welcome back, everyone. I'm Melody from Bake-A-Leg and Let's Dig It. I figured we'll go check out the damage together. We had a terrible storm here last night. Winds, torrential downpours, thunder and lightning. It was god-awful, so let's get this over with. Let's see if everything made it. Oh no, we have down tomatoes. Oh no. Don't mind the noise. Neighbors fixing their house, out of their house. We have this down tomato plant. We have another down tomato. We're gonna have to do some fixing. See if we can save it. Oh no. No, no, no. Oh, no. No. Oh, Lord. I wonder if this one can be saved. Let me bend you down. Let's see. Root came right up out of the ground. Hole, if it will stay. Like dig another hole and transplant it. Try to stake this up somehow. I already put a call into my friend Jay for help. Oh, so yeah, this isn't good. I'm just gonna lay it down gentle. This one here may be the same thing. I think as long as it's not cracked. This is a big one. Oh yeah. Hopefully. Let me take a look. Not really sure. Try something very quickly, because you can't get here till later. If I can just get this to stand for a minute. Let's see. Oh, no, no, no. Come here, baby. You don't know anything about sunflowers. Some of them are so god-awful heavy. I'm trying to see if I can lean it on this until I can find a stake. Nope, not gonna work. I'm trying. And this one I think is completely cracked. Let's take a look. Yep. This one is not gonna be salvageable. There's the other one falling over. The stem split. Ay, ay, ay. Let me sit you down again. Yep, I don't know. We have some major sunflower damage. I'll just lay it down. Because I don't know. This one's cracked very badly. Which means it hit my plant, my zucchini. Oh no. And while I'm out here, I think I think I'm trying to get it on there. Where'd it go? I think I see a squash beetle. Grab something. So this might be a short-lived zucchini plant as well. Don't particularly want to touch this bug. I don't like them. I know, I'm a gardener. I don't care for these things. just wiped it off, but I don't know. There's a lot of damage done to my Easy Pack Gold zucchini. Now look how empty that looks. That is terrible. Let's see, take a look, see what else is going on. Eggplants look like they may have survived. That's the carrot bed. We have another one that's almost down, but that one's probably doable. Can stake that one up. The tower is held up. These dollar store towers absolutely managed through the storm. Looks like the zucchini plants are still alive. That sunflower made it. I keep getting all these my sunflowers. Another tomato plant that's down. This is the prize bed. You hear me talk about it, and that's the noise you're hearing. I don't know if it's broke or it could be fastened up. Storm on the homestead. Cucumbers are fine. I mean, not cucumbers, watermelon's fine. I have to pull that in. It's actually going over to my neighbor's. Cantaloupe's fine. Another tower that's fine. Beans on it. Yeah, the string is completely down, if you can see that. It's holding up the tomatoes. So that is an emergency. That needs to be fixed. Down tomato in the walkway. Oh, Lord. Look at this. The whole thing collapsed. This is the middle of the aisle. So up there, it looks like it may have fallen to the middle, and they may have a chance if we can gently put some twine and pull them in, because, you know, we go through a lot of work for all this. Why we don't want to lose it. I definitely got to get a black light from Amazon. I have a curled leaf, but nothing's in it. Beans look like they just got rained on really hard. Let's see. So this is going to be interesting to fix. And the other one down there that's down. Peppers look like they're okay. So if it's a couple down tomato plants, we can figure it out. Pull them up, hopefully. Let's see. I mean, it does look like it's attached still at the stem. I don't know if you could see in there because it's so bright. So I'm not sure if it actually broke. I honestly don't really want to touch it until my friend gets here, so we can try to save them if they're not cracked. So, a few down tomato plants and down some major sunflowers. Another down tomato. Let me see if that broke. Let me just try to... So I'm going to have to definitely fix this. And this one here, if you can see it, I just lifted that one up off the ground. That one I did not. These are going to have to be tied up. I mean, it poured. I literally screamed a couple times. No shame in my game, because the lightning strikes were so bad. And I don't care about thunder, but lightning freaks me out, and it was so bad. I don't know if it's because I'm near the river, but it was a really, really bad storm. Doesn't look like there's any down pepper plants that I can see of right now. What is this? Oh, sweet. You know what they say? Every obstacle, every storm, you learn and you overcome. And look at it in there. Can you see in there? Big red pepper, purple peppers. I'm not sure. Like, that's a blessing. Looks like the peppers may be fine. I'm not sure if I transplant a couple of sunflowers or if I plant seed, if it'll have enough time. This was my whole backdrop for my videos, and just because I love sunflowers. So that is what's going on with the storm. Just such a shame. Hopefully this one can be fixed. This one just opened like yesterday. Right here. Hopefully these babies can be fixed, but I highly doubt that one right there can be fixed unless Jay is an absolute genius. But these towers, and we talk, I mean, it does have splashed up dirt and everything, but I told you the pipe that was used, that these weren't going to go anywhere, and that's to give him proof, because it almost felt like a tornado last night, and it was a severe storm. My lemon basil is flopped over, so I will have to rig something, because I really want it, lemon basil. But look what didn't die. The nasturtium, the enormous one. So have to fix the lemon basil, a couple tomato plants, try to see what we can do for that big gap of sunflowers that are now down because of the storm. And let's keep looking around. You know, when your dill goes to seed, it turns into coriander, and this is down, so I might have to stake it up because I want the coriander seeds. So yeah, I might have to use, well there, I'll use my light for now just to prop it up, but I'm gonna have to stake the coriander up. It smells amazing on my hands. Let's check the kitchen garden. Another down coriander, dill. That one looks like it's up at the root. So, to spike that up, was extremely concerned about my St. John's wort, and it's looking pretty good. And if anybody knows a thing or two about Mexican tarragon, because I do not, do you harvest the flowers? Do you cut the flowers off and pick the leaves? If someone knows that, if you could please let me know, that'd be awesome, because I want to cut this back a little bit. I mean, it did flop over from the storm, but overall that looks fine. The two trees are fine. Raspberry bushes look fine. This is a patch. Extra tomatoes and peppers were going to go in there. Yep, raspberry, they look good. One of the birds ate all the blueberries off of there. These blueberries aren't ready, but they're awfully little too. So yeah, I guess that's the assessment of the damage from the storm. See, extra tomatoes put over there. Waste nothing, even if you overplant. But gonna have to do some serious tying back, fix the sunflowers. I don't know, the stalks are so thick. This eggplant looked fine, so I think I lost my Easy Pick Gold Rush zucchini, because as you can see, it is hanging out of the bed. This is the sweet potatoes that I know nothing about. They're all the way down there. If anybody knows if I need to trellis them, if you could let me know, that'd be awesome. But yeah, that plant is not looking so good. Looks like it's mainly out of the bed. Going into my black cherry tomatoes. And lots of sunflower damage. Well, there you have it, my friends. And the bees still want the sunflowers. Really saddens me. I hope this can be fixed. But if there's a will, there's a way, right? At least the house is still standing. And overall, not too bad. It could have been a whole lot worse. There's always going to be some type of disappointment, whether it's by disease, bug, or a storm. But last summer, I lost all my tomatoes because of 2 hurricanes. So my tomato season was cut very short last year, and I was hoping for that not to happen again this year. So I guess we'll have to figure it out. So we'll keep you posted. I mean, this is so many heads on this one. I want to save it. So I will keep you posted if the sunflowers survived or not, and what ends up happening with that zucchini, the Easy Pick Gold Rush zucchini that I was so looking forward to. We'll just have to see what happens. Jay's gonna come over. This is in the morning. Like I said, there's people over there working. Jay's coming over probably about 1-ish, I think he said, and hopefully we can figure this out to try to save at least 2 of the sunflowers. I don't think the 3rd one's going to be salvageable, but we'll see. We probably should stake up the big one right there just in case for the next storm. And these storms are terrible here near the river, but it's also, we've been in a heat wave. I mean, so, you know, you're not going to get a nice little lovely storm when you're in a major heat wave every other couple days. So yeah. So that's the update on what the storm did. And like I said, I will keep you posted. If we could fix the tomatoes, the sunflowers, and that Gold Rush zucchini, if there's a way to fix that, fantastic. But if I think I just saw a squash bug on it, I don't know. I have to make a decision then, don't I? So there's the damage from the storm. And like I said, I will keep y'all posted. I just hope to be able to save it. So today is Wednesday. I had to actually put clothes on today. I'm so sunburned. Like my stomach and my sides just got torqued. So I actually am wearing clothes today. And today was supposed to be my mail call for quite a few people. So I guess I will put that out for Thursday morning, so stay tuned for that. It's from Gail Southern Living.